Come on! Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes!
Pick a person.
Yep, done. Does your character have anything man-made on them, such as hat, earring, glasses, scarf?
No.
No. Great start.
Does your person have blue eyes?
No.
That just eliminated a few.
Is your person female?
Yeah.
Is your character Farah?
What?
Yeah, right.
Why did you do that? Wow.
Go.
No, let's go again. Pick your person.
Job done. Your character. Does the first letter in their name fall between A and F?
Yeah, it does.
Another strong start.
Does your character wear a hat?
No.
I would be scared if I were you.
Is your character Ben?
Sorry?
Is your character Ben?
You've asked 3 questions!
Yeah.
Babe, how'd you do that? Can you teach me?
Sure. Firstly, ask a broad question, then try and get another kind of like the male and female question. Think outside the box.
Oh, you are clever, hey? But now that I know your tactic, let's go for our third game.
Let's do it.
Last night, I played Life in Reterra for the first time. And now I'm here at my friend Stan's studio so that he can help me to rebuild my community that I made. I had an idea to immortalize this into a 3D diorama. So let's have a look at how I got here. In Life in Reterra, you start with this tile here with the logo, and then you build your community out from there. And when you reach a point where the gears have 3 connecting on the same type of land tile, you can put a building. We see the gears here, they're not worth any points, but you can put the little inhabitants there. Another thing in this game are relics, and relics are worth points. But you can also play against your neighbors, and you can add junk to their relics. And my neighbor put it on my relic, so I didn't get any points. Actually, I got -1 point for that. So another big part of the strategy of my game was to use the energy source here and have it surrounded by land tiles. I'm super excited to get started with this design. I can really see how you put all the detail from last night's community into this. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. He has mapped everything out, drawn in where the building, where the island's gonna be. I'm getting really excited for this. Okay, the foundation's looking good. Oh, be careful, huh? Ooh. Okay, amazing. Now that the foundation has taken shape, we're going to strengthen it with some liquid acrylic gypsum. This part is really cool. To mix, we're first gonna add the liquid, and then just a little bit of pigment is all you need. You add a little bit of powder and mix at the same time. Wow. All right, this is what we need, and now let's pour. Wow, the terrain is really coming together, but hold on. I think we're missing just right here a little bit of green.
What?
It's a wrap. Now it's time for my favorite part, the epoxy. We're gonna use this to fill in the water over here. Let's get going. Perfect. Then we'll add in the pigments. Looking good. Now that the terrain is complete, we're going to combine the nature with the man-made world, just like in the game. By using this 3D resin printer, we're going to recreate the tiny inhabitants and buildings. And while it's working its magic, Stan is going to start on the gears. Okay, so I'm placing the last inhabitant here next to the gear in the grass area, and our community is looking even better than I could have ever imagined. I am so thrilled with the job that we made together. It looks so good. Now for the final touch, let's place the Life in Reterra sign. And voila, here we have the final result of my Life in Reterra community. I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I do. Thanks to Stan. All right, see ya.
No!
Hand them over.
Do you know what?
Won't you? This time around, we're not playing for money, we're playing to win presents. Which means that the big present belongs to these properties here, the green and blue. This present belongs to red and yellow. This one to orange and pink, and this one to brown and light blue. So the way you claim the presents is if you land in any of those properties in those sections. If you go to jail, you have to give the present back if you've already claimed one. Okay?
Fair.
Ready?
Okay, let's do it. Oh!
Oh!
Ball first.
Okay. Oh!
Oh!
There we go. Oh, heavy.
Thanks.
Oh! Oh, I didn't even get a present! Okay.
No! Oh, I've already taken mine.
Yes.
Ah, you did it. Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm
Sure.
not.
Oh yeah, jail.
Oh, thank you very much. Ta-da. No!
Oh, hand them over, baby. Hand them over. Hand them over.
Oh! Oh!
Yes!
And you got the big one as well.
Oh yes, baby.
No way.
Let's get going.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh! All right, that's yours. Go on then. Should we go for free parking and whoever wins that claims all the presents?
Deal. Let's do it. Okay.
All right,
Okay.
let's do this. Oh, not enough power, but I'm in your way.
Yeah, you're blocking.
No, off the board, off the
whoa.
board. Get out of my
Gosh.
way.
Rapid.
Oh no!
Come on, come on, come on, come on. No! Oh, heart was in the mouth. Oh, you completely blocked it. It's my last one.
You could go this way and then hit your hat one.
Oh shit. Do you know what? Oh, no.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Santa was good to me because I was good to share. Thank you very much.
Clearly I wasn't.